Hey, it's Paul from howtonetwork.com. No flashy videos or lesson today. So it's Black Friday going through to Cyber Monday. So I just wanted to give you an offer if you're interested in getting IT certified in the next year or so. So a very quick outline, howtonetwork.com. We launched this website back in 2004. It looked very different, and all we taught was Cisco CCNA and then CCNP. And now we're teaching a bunch of courses. So you can come over to the website, howtonetwork.com, and this is the new design. Check out all the different courses. We've put them under Amazon, beginner, career, CompTIA, for example. That's obviously very popular. And then click on whatever courses you're interested on. So this is access all areas. So whatever level you join at, you get access to everything. You just get a different membership price. So you can read all this for yourself, what's in it for you. And each course is obviously a bit different, and most of them we've got pictures of people who've passed. The difference between us and other online trainers is all our instructors are actually full-time consultants. So your coders are full-time coders. This guy, Jay Ocampo, has done a lot of courses. He designs and builds large networks for global companies. He's a Cisco CCIE and teaches a bunch of stuff. And you can see all the lessons. All the courses come with exams, at the very minimum, usually 200 exam questions. Here's all the courses. You can look at the menu at the top. We've got 40 certification courses, but for many, there's other courses, that aren't certification, but stuff we think you need to know, like learn about DevOps, learn about SQL Server, for example. That's not an exam. Learn all about TCP/IP and IP version 6. There's no certifications to go with these, but these will help you in your job and also if you do take an exam. There's Cisco equipment if you want to log in. I'll find this, sorry. So if you want to get some hands-on Cisco time, you can log in and use Cisco equipment, routers and switches. And members, I've got access to a bunch of other stuff. Your forum, if you want any support. You get motivational training, exam training, how to tackle the exams and get over anxiety, exam coaching, and I think the other thing just to look at is the exams here. So there's a bunch of bonus exams for loads of different certifications. So have a look at the website. I'll put a link in the description. For $1, you get access to the website and everything inside for 2 months. And then if you want to go into your members account area, you can go ahead and cancel that before it goes to the $20 a month. And obviously we hope you'll stick around. So that's it. I'll delete this video a few days after Black Friday and Cyber Monday's finished. And I wish you all the best. Any questions, just drop them below the video and I will answer them.